Hello dear friends, today we are going to embroider a beanie. So I have my beanie. I'm going to be using my 7x5. I have cutaway stabilizer. So we are going to set our stabilizer first. Okay, so mine is ready. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to flip our beanie over. And I want it right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray it with glue. I'm going to use a piece of carton so I can get it only in my hoodie. And that's it. We are going to flip it over, and I already have my center. You gotta have your corners. And we are going to set it in our at this point you can turn it back over so it's easy to keep it straight. You want to have it right in the center. Mine is exactly at the center. So now what we can do is really careful. We can roll it up this part because we don't want to stretch it. And I'm going to grab masking tape. And I'm going to tape it right here. So we're gonna use also water soluble. Again, we don't want our hoodie to stretch, so just make sure it's good. And then we're going to add our stabilizer. We want to tape it as well. And don't worry if the tape get caught in the stitches because it'll come off right away. I believe this is good, so let's move to our sewing machine. Okay, so let's just double check it's good. I believe that's good. That's what I wanted, so we are going to go ahead and start. I like to hold this a little bit. I know it's taped, but the first one is gonna It's done, so let's see how it turned out. I have my head underneath so I don't cut my beanie by accident. Okay, so let's just trim this better. This looks a little bit better. Okay, so let's flip it over. As you can see, it has some residue for the glue, but once we wash it, it's gonna go away. So let's flip it over. And I think it turned out great. It's centered. It's good. And then this is the final result. It was a really easy process. I'm really excited. I'm really happy with the result. It's not too big. It's just perfect, I believe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you are interested for me to walk you through since the start, because how I come up with the letters, this font is in Embrilliance. I started in Embrilliance and then I transferred my font to the embroidery machine. And this is the result. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. And if you like my videos, please, I need you to leave comments. I need you to subscribe. That's the biggest thing. Please subscribe to the channel if you like my videos. Until next time. Bye.